You can backtest different time frames and different charts. Here we are on a gold 15-minute chart. Now let's add indicators to the chart. The main indicator that we will use in this strategy called super trend. This is what it looks like. A single line that switches from green to red and vice versa. And how you use it is pretty self-explanatory. If the line turns green, meaning you take a buy position, and if the line turns red, meaning you close your previous buy position and open a new sell position. But there's actually one big problem. If you use the strategy this way, because the super trend indicator is constantly giving out signals non-stop, so when you're using this indicator there are no times where you don't take any positions. It's either you are forced to take a buy or sell position. There are no stops, so this can be a huge problem, because if you're a trader, you need to know that the market isn't always trending. The market can also go in a range. So, because the super trend is constantly showing signals non-stop, meaning it will also show signals when the market is on a range. Like in this example, you can see that the market was on a downtrend and the super trend displayed a sell signal. And now you see that the trend had already ended and the market went flat. But the problem is because the super trend is always giving signals, it displayed a sell signal even though there wasn't any trend. So, what we need to do is filter out these range markets so that we only take signals from the super trend if the market is actually trending. There are many ways and many indicators to filter out these fake signals. So, I will backtest one of these indicators in this video to see the result of other profitable trading strategies using super trend indicator by combining it with other indicators in the future videos. Feel free to subscribe. So now, for our first strategy using super trend indicator, we will add double EMA or DEMA to the chart. So, now we should make some adjustments. So go to setting and in the input tab, change the time frame to 1 hour and the length to 200. And from the style section make it a little more visible. So, because the super trend can be used to detect short to medium-term trends and the 200 EMA line can be used to detect longer-term trend, that is why these two can be the perfect combination for this strategy. Now let's get into the trading rules. We're only going to be looking to buy, only if the price is above the 200 DEMA and the super trend indicator have a buy signal. So, you only take buy signals from the super trend when the price is above the 200. And as soon as all our conditions met, we will go ahead and place a long order at the close of trigger candlestick. We will set our stop loss slightly below the super trend line and we will be targeting 2 times the risk. But remember, there are still some points to make the strategy more profitable, therefore watch the video to the end, so you don't miss any important point. Exactly opposite is true for short trades. We're only going to be looking to sell if the price is below the 200 DEMA and the super trend indicator have a sell signal. And as soon as we have all our conditions met, we will go ahead and place a sell order at close our trigger candlestick. Our stop loss will be set slightly above the super trend line and we will be targeting 2 times the risk. Now you have an idea about how to trade with this strategy. So, let's actually do our back testing and see how well the strategy would perform in different market conditions. Remember, at the end of this video I will give you an idea to make much more money by this strategy. I just finished the back testing. Our win rate is crazy high 65%, and we increased our account size by 115%. I found those 100 setups within 6 weeks. We had 7 consecutive wins against 4 consecutive losses. So overall, the strategy definitely showed some good results. And here is the point to increase our profit by this strategy. Sometimes we see that the super trend gave a buy signal, but the price is still below the 200 DMA line. So, we shouldn't take the positions. But we can wait for the price to crosses above the 200 DMA line, and while the super trend is still colored green, that is the time where you can take a buy position and set the stop and take profit as I explained. And exactly opposite is true for short position again. If the super trend gave a sell signal, but the price is still above the 200 DMA line, so, we shouldn't take the positions. But we can wait for the price to crosses below the 200 DMA line, and while the super trend is still colored red, that is the time where you can take a sell position and set the stop and take profit as I explained. If you use this point, you will definitely make more money by trading with this strategy. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the channel to learn more about some other scalping trading strategies using some of the best free TradingView indicators. Don't forget to smash the like button, it really helps with the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future to help you become a more profitable trader, then feel free to subscribe to Magic Trading Strategy.